Surya Namaskar. Salute to the sun or sun salutation, is a practice in yoga as exercise incorporating a sequence of 12 gracefully linked asanas. In yogic texts, it is mentioned that ancient people used to believe everything as their god. While worshipping the sun is still a widespread practice, everything that is the gift of nature is supposed to be an element of the Creator, according to yoga. Beginner's tip. Practice on empty stomach. Surya Namaskar is kind of warm-up in itself. But, it's always good to warm up your joints by doing joint rotations. Focus on your breathing while performing every step. For example, breathe in while you are going back and breathe out while your spinal cord is bending forwards. Don't overdo the back bend. Do not rush through the postures. Start with 3-4 sets and try hitting 12 sets. After Surya Namaskar, lie in Shavasana for 3 to 5 minutes.
Tadasana.
Om Mitraya Namaha.
Benefits. It relaxes the mind and soul. It brings awareness. It enhances body posture. It brings body-mind balance. It instills spiritual energy to the mind.
Hasta Uttanasana.
Om Ravaya Namaha.
Benefits. It improves digestion. It stretches and tones the muscles of the abdomen. It expands the chest and the rib cage, resulting in full intake of oxygen. The lung capacity is fully utilized.
Padahastasana.
Om Suryaya Namaha.
Benefits. It makes the body flexible at the hips. It makes body flexible, stretches back and leg muscles. It helps to eliminate excess belly fat. It improves digestion and reduces constipation. It eliminates many stomach ailments. It makes the spine flexible and tones the nerves.
Ashwasanchalanasana.
Om Bhanve Namaha.
Benefits. It tones the abdominal organs. It gives flexibility to the leg muscles during stretching. It gives a sense of nervous balance.
Parvatasana.
Om Khagaya Namaha.
Benefits. It strengthens the muscles of the arms and legs. It tones the spinal nerves and sends good flow of blood to the spinal region. It increases blood flow to the brain and gives mild benefits similar to inverted asanas.
Ashtanga Namaskara. Om Pushne Namaha.
Benefits. It strengthens the muscles of the hands and legs. It strengthens the chest.
Bhujangasana. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Nama.
Benefits. It strengthens the spine. It stretches chest and lungs, shoulders, and abdomen. It firms the buttocks. It stimulates abdominal organs. It opens the heart and lungs. It is therapeutic for asthma. Traditional texts say that Bhujangasana increases body heat, destroys disease, and awakens.
Kundalini. Parvatasana. Om Merichaya Nama. Ashwasanchalanasana. Om Adityaya Namah.
Padahastasana. Om Savitre Namaha.
Hasta Uttanasana.
Om Argaya Namaha.
Tadasana.
Om Bhaskaraya Namaha.
Shvasana.
Benefits. It calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. It relaxes the body. It reduces headache, fatigue, and insomnia.
Om